Why are you running and shouting so much? I'll make something special, but something to eat. What something to drink specially you want now? Drink water. You always trouble me so much. Now you all three will have different requests. Mom, please. I want lemonade to drink. I don't want to eat now. Please, Mom, make lemonade. What, yeah, Aurora? You always drink lemonade and I don't want to drink that. Mom, please make some strawberry milkshake. I just love it. Mom is not going to make either lemonade or strawberry milkshake. She's going to make orange juice. That's everyone's favorite. And mine especially. I knew it. These girls will have all three different requests. And that's the reason I was telling you girls to drink water. Now, let me call the decision wheel to decide which drink should I prepare. So should I make a lemonade or a strawberry milkshake or orange juice? Let's decide. The decision is to make a lemonade. Wow, it's so simple to make lemonade. So girls, you go there and watch some TV. By that time, I'm going to make lemonade for you girls. Now let me remove the ingredients. And the ingredients would be some lemon, some ice, and most importantly, sugar. Now, to make lemonade, let me make use of a mixer. I think that would be better for mixing the ingredients. And let me remove the mixer grinder right now. Let me take some lemon and cut it and put the juice into the mixer. Now, let me put some ice into the mixer and some sugar and close the lid of the mixer. And switch it on, and ta-da! The lemonade is ready. That was quick enough. Let me call the kids now. Kids, oh kids, come here. Your lemonade is ready. Come here. Wow, Mom, these look so amazing and refreshing too. Thank you, Mom, for making it so quickly. And sorry we troubled you so much. But you're the best, Mom.